I'm good. I'm with Louisiana State Police. You have your ID with you? Look, the reason why I'm stopping you is just for swerving, okay? For me. Let me talk to you for a minute. I got one running.
2216 at 10:03. We have you.
Shirt. Does he have anything behind his back? Let me see your hands. Let me see your hands. Let me see your hands. Sir, let me see your hands. Hands now. Hands. Hands. Let me see your hands, sir. Don't do this. Don't do this. Don't do this. Don't do this! He's asking to the right. Okay. Sir, let me see your hands! 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 Sir! Red shirt, go to your truck! Red shirt, go to your truck! Let me see your hands, sir! Let me see your hands! You come any closer, I will shoot! You come any closer, I will shoot! You come any closer, I will shoot! You come any closer, I will... Stop! Hands! Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands! 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 I got contact. Fine.
Just kill me, please. Kill me. Kill me. Please, let me die.
No, sir. No, sir. You're not gonna die.
Let me die.
No, sir.
Let me die.
Nope.
Let me die, please.
Hey, calm down, okay?
Let me die.
Relax.
Let me die.
Your hands. You come any closer, I will shoot. You come any closer, I will shoot. You come any closer, I will shoot. You come any closer, I will...